Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne and today we are looking at Hedera HBAR once again and talking about how much HBAR you need in order to make $100,000 this bull cycle. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to drop a thumbs up on the video below. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, so it would mean the world if you hit that subscribe button. We are dropping multiple videos every single week, so you're going to want to hit the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date as we drop those videos in order to hit your crypto goals. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. And a couple of weeks ago, we dropped another video on the channel all about a price prediction for Hedera HBAR and what price it could reach by the height of the bull market. In that video, you can find it on the channel, we dived into all of the different fundamentals surrounding HBAR and what it is. But to just do a quick refresh on that, Hedera is basically a Hgraph, so technically not a blockchain, even though they do brand themselves as a blockchain when talking about themselves to enterprise clients so that their technology is more palatable and more easily understood by a lot of the enterprises that they are trying to focus on as their core customers. But essentially what they're trying to do is solve the whole scalability problem around blockchains by creating this hash graph that can do around 10,000 transactions per second, which is significantly more than Bitcoin, Ethereum, or many of these other layer 1 solutions. They have a fantastic bunch of companies on their governing council. They've built up a fantastic repertoire of blue chip governing council members and partnerships, and this data here is old data, but basically HBAR has seen a decent run up in the past couple of months, going from lows of about 4 or 5 cents in Q4 of 2023 to up above 11 cents today. So in our price prediction video, we broke down a bear case, base case, and bull case scenario for our HBAR price prediction. And we're going to use this data and this information in order to inform how we can reverse engineer attaining $100,000 in this next bull cycle with HBAR. But basically the thing to know here is that, of course, we have to plug in some variables into these price predictions because we have to make assumptions. So there are some assumptions in here, and we have to make assumptions in order to, make our best guess at a price prediction. So the assumptions that we have to plug in here are estimates for where we think the entire crypto market cap can go, estimates around how much dominance we think HBAR can achieve in terms of overall market dominance at the height of that bull run, then calculating an overall market cap for HBAR based on that, and then getting a HBAR price based on the estimated amount of HBAR tokens we think will be in circulation by the height of the bull cycle, again, which we estimate to be around Q4 of 2025. So these are basically the prices that we come out to for a 33 cent HBAR price prediction in our worst bear case scenario. We got a 58 cents price prediction for our base case scenario, and we got an 89 cents HBAR for our bull case scenario. Now, we will probably do updated price prediction videos in future, and these numbers may change, but as of right now, and given a lot of the information around the safts that HBAR has and the amount of whales holding HBAR that might be dumping as we see new all-time highs with HBAR, these are the calculations or the estimates that we came up with. So how do we reverse engineer this and come up with a scenario where we can make $100,000 with HBAR specifically? Well, as we mentioned, the HBAR price as of today, March 5th, 2024, is sitting at just over 11 cents. We did peak above 12 cents in the past few days in terms of yearly or year-to-date highs for HBAR. So we did break that 12 cents mark before pulling back about 5 to 6%, as you can see in the past couple of days. So breaking it down, if we want to think about if we had a base case scenario with HBAR achieving a peak of about 58 cents, how do we make $100,000 from that? So $100,000 broken down as a price target would equal about 172,000 HBAR tokens at a 58 cents price. So dividing that amount of tokens by the current price of HBAR, that would require a $19,138 investment as of today at an 11 cents price mark in order to purchase 172,000 HBAR. Then, over the next few months, as we see HBAR continue to rise, as we move towards an all-time high price of 58 cents, if you were to sell those 172,000 HBAR at a 58 cents price, that will give you $100,000. So a $19,000 investment today to give you a 100,000 HBAR portfolio at a price of 58 cents is what it comes out to. So still, over a 5x with our base case scenario, giving you $100,000 US from a $19,000 investment at the prices for HBAR today. Again, you may not have $19,000, so you might be on the more bullish side of the fence for HBAR, thinking about it reaching an 89 cents price, or closer to a $1 price target for this bull cycle. That means that if you want to have that $100,000 target, you would still need 112,000 HBAR at an 89 cents price. So what that would require is purchasing about $12,471 worth of HBAR at this 11 cents price today in order to give you 112,000 HBAR. And then if you're to sell those 112,000 HBAR at this 89 cents price mark, that gives you your $100,000. So this is not quite a 10x, but it is around an 8 to 9x in terms of the return on investment. So a $12,471 investment today would yield you a gross $100,000 if you were to sell it at an 89 cent HBAR price. So again, pretty good ROI if we think about HBAR potentially hitting this number in the next 12 to 18 months. A pretty good ROI in terms of an investment potential. Again, this is not financial advice. And then just for the sake of it, we have broken down the same thing for $1 million target. So if you wanted to attain $1 million with HBAR in the next 12 to 18 months, when we anticipate HBAR peaking at somewhere around 89 cents in our most bullish scenario, that would require obtaining about 1,123,000 HBAR tokens at a price today. If you were to invest at the current prices today, March 5th, 2024, that would set you back $124,000, 710 cents. But if you hold those, if you're patient, if you are a HBAR bull and you think the price of HBAR will reach 89 cents, then it will be, again, almost, about an 8 to 9x here, with $124,000 investment yielding you a $1 million price target by selling your 1.1 million HBAR at about 89 cents. So let us know in the comments below if you are holding HBAR. What price target do you think HBAR can hit? Are you planning to accumulate over $100,000 worth of HBAR by the time it reaches its all-time highs this bull cycle? Let us know in the comments below what your price targets are and how much HBAR you are holding. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please make sure to smash the thumbs up on the way out. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, so please smash that subscribe button. We are dropping multiple videos every single week, so you're going to want to get notified when we drop those videos so you can stay up to date on all the latest moves in the crypto space and hit your crypto goals. We'll be dropping multiple videos, multiple price predictions, and a ton of other content, so make sure that you stay in the loop. As always, we will catch you in the next one.